Omasipala abaningi KwaZulu Natal badonsa kanzima ngenxa yokusashazwa kwemali.
There is evidence of a regression. Some municipalities have been under administration since the previous and current term of office for councillors since 2016.
Le ngqunguqthela igxile kuzinselele ezikhungethe omasipala kulesi sifundazwe.
Many commentators have argued that legislation allowing national and provincial to intervene in municipalities has been weaponized in the battle for resources and political patronage.
Ozomela iDA kosobundunankulu KwaZulu Natal ukhulume ngamasu okuthuthukisa ukusebenza komasipala.
Functional institutions are not cadres deployed to protect the system. MPAC, MFDB, your standard operating procedures, your alignments to manifestos of delivery. These are your mechanisms to drive your change.
Upapas uke wabasematheni kulezi insuku kulandela isimemezelo seDA sokumqoka njengozoyimela kwesobundunankulu njengoba leli Iqembu liqale umkhankaso walo wokhetho.
So what you're seeing now playing out against me is what they do to each other every day. And I'm not going to be dragged into the mud and play in their space. For once in this province, and Councillor Ntuli mentioned it and everyone's mentioned it, there's a real feeling of hope.